So, first thing, right, we have to fucking moan about is we received the box, right? So just got this from the guys. We received the box from DPD. Yes, DPD, I will name and shame you should ever you watch this in a million years or whatever. Look how they delivered the box, like literally, just like that. Like this. Like this. And the guys are saying like, oh, the guy offered us a chance to return it back. And I'm like, they should have done, because this is just ridiculous. Like, what is that? What is that? Not much things upset me about deliveries, but that is shocking. DPD. I need to blur that out. Stupid. Anyway. So here we are. What are these? Okay. Nike High fragments. Oh, these purple bad boys. Hey. Okay. Right. Ooh. So at the box, and you know what I really get a distinct smell for, and I haven't had that smell for ages. Obviously we've been reviewing lots and lots of trainers, but these give you that old trainer smell, the old new trainer smell. You know, you used to get new trainers when you was a kid, right? You used to smell them like that. Ooh, these like smell like fresh off the manufacturing belt, like for real. Anyway, yeah, my little idiosyncrasy aside, let's go into this. So the first thing that actually strikes me is not even the colour. It's not even, you know, the way it looks and, you know, the nice highs and there's not much Jordan anywhere. What gets me is the little inscription here with like the make, the model, you know, the design, everything here. And I don't know what these numbers are supposed to mean. Obviously that's the SKU, but that's just awesome. Look at that. That's just brilliant. Like, literally, that could be a thing, right? Every trainer has that on them. That'd be amazing. Anyway, so back to the actual review. Again, this is the actually first Dunk High we've actually done on here, so I need to like find myself really and truly. So what am I looking for? What am I looking for in these? Okay, so the colours are decent colours, right? It's a nice black colour, but obviously they're not the Air Jordans, so we're not seeing any of the, you know, any of the Jordan on there. Even in the box, they didn't have nothing on Jordan here. This is just a simple Nike Dunk High, so no Jumpman on here at all. I just think they're really smart. They're just the you know, the type of highs that you definitely can wear every day. You can wear with anything, any outfit at all, and they just look nice. I like the muted colours. I really do like the muted colours. So you know me, I'm kind of a paradox, right? On one hand, I want it, look at me, I'm like green and yellow and pink and whatever. And on the other hand, if you're gonna go like monotone and bring it down, then bring it down to a whole classic, and you can't really go wrong with a purple and black. Yeah, so back to it. We've got these two lightning rods there. You know, some of you trainer heads will know more than I. So like, what is that? What is that all about? I like it. It's different, right? It has some resemblance with what the fragment is. You know, I should really read the bios on these things, but I don't, because I don't know what trainer I'm getting. So I can't like read a bio on something I don't know I'm getting. So here we go. All you critics out there. So what do we? Yeah, there's not really much to say about it. There's no real distinct characters apart from, you know, the make and model on there with the design in there telling you it's a fragment design. I don't know, man, guys. I don't know. It does feel really good, though. It does feel really good. Look, man, let's just go straight to the on foot. So what do you think? Cop? Drop? Defo cop, come on, man. You can't go wrong with a pair of classic Nike highs, right? Yes, and the X fragment design. I will put some more details in the blurb, I'm sure I will. But what do you think, man? They're okay, right? I like them. They are a bit on the plain side, if I'm actually honest with you. I know I quite like seeing the Nike highs with a bit of Jumpman here and there and a little bit of distinction in the colours, but I don't know, they kind of work. what do you guys think? Are you in love with it? Are you not in love with it? What you saying? Obviously, you can get it on the retail market. It's doing reasonably well. I guess. I think they were 114. They're probably going for like 140 or something like that on the retail market. So if you're one of the flippers, maybe worthwhile getting to just do a small flip. I don't know, a little bit of margin. It's up to you. But for us here at Star Wars General, for me, I will probably drop. Yeah. No, made up my mind now. Made up my mind. I'll drop these. I just think it lacks design. It really does. It's too plain, right? It's just too plain and too simple. You know, the most highlighting features that I told you is like right on the sole. It's got the make, model, and design, the SKU. That's it. Really, yes. It's got the 2 lightning strikes, which I think it's supposed to be an X. That could be it. It's supposed to be an X. Who knows? There you go. I'm even lost about what it's supposed to be like, because I just have no intention or desire to even want to keep talking about it. So that's who I am with the Nike Fragment X High. Thanks for tuning in, guys. See you next time. Peace.